you guys, welcome back to another vlog with Rahul Bhai and Zahir Adnan and stuff. So we have a crazy project coming up with my man Zahir.
The Shred program is live and these two are going to put it to the test.
Yeah guys, so we're starting on 26th September. We're not starting yet, but soon we'll start inshallah. Date, you guys can check. We're starting inshallah and it's going to be a crazy one, so let's go.
Guys, so today is like the first day of the 8 weeks of the Z Sculpt program with Zahir. So as usual, like today, if I don't know if you guys can see, but the date is 28 9. That's 28th September. So guys, we're at like 91.5. So let's go. Day one.
Let's go.
Rest day guys, rest day. Does it look like a rest day? Well no. Guys, today is day 4 of the Z Sculpt program. Today is supposed to be a rest day. So we gotta do the cardio. Fuck, let's just see. You can see almost, I don't know if it's focusing. We're around 684 calories. Fuck me. Let's go.
The week 3 first day, I weighed in the morning. I was like around 88.8. I didn't shoot because there was some family stuff. So the point is, I've lost around 2 kgs since I started, and honestly it's very hard guys, not gonna lie, because our life, when you do this lifestyle, it is a completely detached from everything else. Like even like when you go out, like you gotta carry your meals, you gotta work out before going because you can't come back because it'll be too late. And yeah, so like basically in the last 2-3 weeks I haven't gone out much. I went once out, and today's my mom's birthday, and like it's the October 12th, so it's my mom's birthday. And even when they cut cake and stuff, like you can't have it, like, you know, it's a bit weird and it's a bit hard. Like she was very upset, like, you know, like they're going for her birthday dinner and I won't be joining because obviously I don't want to look while they're eating. So yeah, so it is a hard lifestyle, but there's a purpose for this.
This is a cheat meal after 4 weeks of rigorous dieting.
Yes.
Hard work, and this is what I earned. That's all. That's all. That's
all.
for me. But that's it. Nothing else. I'm sticking to my man Zahir's word, and obviously Coke Zero. I didn't have mine today, so yeah. So let's see how it goes. You wanna have this first? Whew.
So we're already eating guys. We're too hungry.
How do we open it?
I don't even taste the fish.
You want to cut and give it up? No, that's fine.
I'm taking a sip now.
Oh, cheese. That cheese from the knife. It's first bite. Cheers, man. Cheers.
How does it feel, guys?
I must say, fam, that's really fucking good. It's pretty good.
Guys, it's almost been 4 weeks right now since we started the whole plan. Today is the ending of a 4th week. It's been a long journey, not gonna lie, but it didn't seem that long, and week after week it just keeps coming. And honestly, this 4 weeks has been life-changing.
So guys, we're hitting week 6, week 5 done, and we've lost around 7 kgs each. And my man Zahir here, we had a training session with him, and the knowledge he has is immense. And honestly, like I didn't know like this much was there. And till today, we thought like we were training right. We did, but like
I guess
after,
everything just changed after.
but after Zahir thought it's like every muscle, every small bit, and I'm very, very happy that I joined with Zahir for this stuff.
So
Honestly,
glad.
bro, lots of work, great things are coming up. And you're gonna start YouTube soon, right?
Definitely, bro. I'll be seeing you
YouTube's
guys.
coming. YouTube ain't ready, bro. YouTube ain't ready.
YouTube ain't ready.
Let's go, fam.
Yo, you guys, welcome back to another video. I hope y'all are doing great. So I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys are having an okay time at this difficult period of life. Not gonna lie. So basically this video is about my transformation journey that I did during this corona time, and I want to tell you what I did, how I did, why I did it. So all this is going to be there in this video, and I hope you guys could gain some information out of it, and I could motivate you guys a little to make that small difference in your life, which might or which might not matter to everybody, but yeah, it did matter to me. So basically this year has been bad for everybody, right? But for me it was a little extra bad because in the start of the year, during January, like around 20 or 20, I think, to be honest, January 24th, I had an accident, a small accident, not a small one, because I tore my Achilles tendon. It was a very stupid thing I did. Like, I got stuck in my house in my balcony and I had to break the window. So when I broke the window down with my leg, I cut my Achilles tendon off, and I was in bed rest for almost like 6-7 weeks, and then I was completely immobile, and I could walk around a little bit with crutches and stuff, but I wouldn't because it would hurt a lot. So at that time I was very upset with myself because everybody in my college was having a really good time. So the only company I had was food, and I love food, like I really love food, and I'd everyday binge eat like pizza, milkshake, because that used to give me happiness, because like I didn't have anything else to do apart from eating good food. That's the only thing I can have fun in. So I kept doing it. And before this whole thing happened, I had been working out. I had been doing CrossFit. So that's something new for me that time, but it was going well. Like, I was gaining muscle at the same time losing fat. I was doing circuit training and all that stuff. So at that time I weighed around 86 kgs. And when I started this whole thing, when I broke my leg, I took some time to recover, like around 8 to 9 weeks I took. And after that, the whole corona thing happened. And once the corona thing happened, this is just right 2 days after I recovered, like I could walk, I started driving my bike, I get the news that the college is gonna shut and we have to leave in 2 days. So it was a little heartbreaking because I've been waiting for that time all this while, and then it suddenly just goes. And then I went to my grandparents' house and I stayed there for a while, and I was pretty sad and I wanted to go back to Dubai, or I wanted to be with my friends. So I enclosed myself in a room, and the only distraction I had was PUBG, and I kept playing PUBG the whole day. Like, I wouldn't move out of my bed. Like, that's my life. Like, day and night only PUBG. I'd sit and play. I became really good at the game though, but I kept playing it, and I didn't even do the basic movement a person would do in a day, like move, walk around the house, like go outside. I didn't do any of that thing, and I was starting to notice that I'm becoming more fat, but I just kept ignoring it. And finally, when I came back to Dubai, I was so happy that I kept meeting my friends. I kept eating shit because I've been missing all that, right? So I just kept eating pizza, KFC, burger, all that stuff. I'm just eating, I'm just hogging one on one. And then finally a day I went to buy clothes to Splash, and when I went to Splash, when you go to the changing room, a lot of light is on you, like it's very well lit. And when I saw myself in the mirror, then I was like, fuck, I can't be like this. And I was completely disheartened. I was, to be honest, disgusted with myself, because like my stomach was like really out and I was like really fat, and I didn't like that at all. So I was working out. As soon as I came to Dubai, I started working out, but it wasn't helping. So I started this diet which I saw on the internet. And the thing is, diet is not like, you can't have one diet that everybody can follow. Like, everybody has a specific diet that they should follow, which I didn't know that time. So I just saw one on the internet and I followed it for like 2 weeks. It was a 4-week diet, but I followed it for 2 weeks, and I noticed my calorie intake is really low and I'm feeling really hungry. And I'm not able to sleep properly. Like I'm starting to getting chest pain because of the gastric problem and stuff, because I'm starving. And then I noticed, nah, this is not working. But then by the end of the 2 weeks, I lost like 2.5 kgs, which is pretty decent. But the problem with these crash diets is that once you stop them, they're gonna get double the weight, which you lost, because you have been depriving yourself of so many calories that your body is adjusting to that calories which is so low. And once you start eating normally, that's a lot of calories for the body, so it's gonna double. So then Adnan sent me Zahir's post, like he's taking clients in, and I've been seeing Zahir for a while. Like he is my school junior, so I've been seeing him for a while, and honestly I love the work he does. But at that time it was a bit expensive for me because I didn't have that much money. But then like I was doing some small businesses, so I saved up money, and then we contacted Zahir. So this is just right after my 2 weeks that I'm still doing with the 2 weeks thing, and I meet Zahir. And Zahir is like, okay bro, like let's do this. This is for 8 weeks, and all I'm asking for is your dedication. You just need to be spot on with the diet and your workouts. Like don't miss a workout, don't miss a meal, and you'll be fine. So I was like, okay, I can do this. But I was also scared. That's why I didn't like vlog every day or like shoot everything, because I was scared I'm gonna lose. So then me and Adnan started like on a Monday. So before the 2 weeks that I was 94, now I'm like around 91.5. Okay, 91.5, 91, that range. So first week went by, it was pretty okay for me because I've been doing the 2 weeks that, so I was happy. I'm getting more food, and I was eating around 1700 calories that time. But one thing that changed was the way I work out. So I used to track my calories in the gym before, right? So before, when I didn't work out like using Zahir's plan, I'd burn like 400-500 calories max. When we started with Zahir, the first day I was like, I saw my watch and it was like 1200 calories I burnt, and my body needs 2000 calories. Okay, and I'm eating 1700, so you can do the math. So it was intense. I can't tell you how intense it was. But week 1 and 2 was nothing. Week 1, 2, 3, 4 was damn chill, like we were doing it. But one thing guys, I have to tell you, this is a big lifestyle change for me, especially because I'm like a person who keeps going out, keeps partying, or like keeps hanging out with friends, eating shit. So this was like a complete transformation. I stopped going out, I stopped eating shit, I stopped meeting people. Because when I go out, obviously I'll feel bad like looking at people eat, so I need to stop myself doing that. And I had Adnan with me, so it was a vibe. Like we used to do it together. Like when I'm down, he'd like motivate me, and vice versa. So that was the point of this whole thing. And then so I'll tell you how much weight I lost. Like by first week I lost around like 1.2 kgs, and in the second week I only lost like 0.7. And then I was a bit disheartened. I asked Zahir, is something going wrong? And then he was like, no bro, just trust the process and I'll work. And week after week after week it went, and around the 6th week I was about to give up. I messaged Abhishek, I messaged Adnan, I'm like, fuck this shit, I can't do it, because my exams were coming up and I couldn't do it. Like I wanted to eat and I couldn't work out, to be honest, like that much. So Zara was like, please bro, just hold on to your horse, because I've told you this is what it's gonna be like, this is the protocol. It is gonna be hard, it is gonna be crazy, but just hold on to your horse, is what he told me. And I was like, okay, let's do this. And by 7th week we are good, and I was like, okay, one more week, let's push it. So in the middle of the 8th week we weighed in, and I'm at like 77. And guys, from 94 to 77, it's been like an amazing transformation, because I'm so happy right now. Like when I went out to meet my friends after the whole 8-week thing, and when everybody tells you like, bro, I can see the results, like you look so small, like it does make you feel happy. And I was like so proud of myself because I pulled this off. And obviously I don't like have like a 6-pack like there, or like a big buff body or something, but this is where I want to be. I don't mind the 6-packs obviously, but like I'll have to work harder for that, so one step at a time. So yeah, so that's the thing. And what else? So yeah, like at the end of the day, like my whole journey was like around for 10 weeks, and I lost around like 17 kgs. And actually when I weighed at the end of the last week, I was around like 76.5. So that's around like 17.5 kgs in 10 weeks. So it is crazy and it is not easy. You have to put in the work. You have to have, more than anything, you just have to have the mind and the right kind of people around you. Like I'd never meet anybody like Abhishek was like, you know, bro, what the fuck, you know, coming out, and but he'd understand because he knows. And the same way, even my family, like guys, it was my mom's birthday. Like I didn't even eat cake. Like even the small bit of cake that, you know, you feed each other while cutting cake, even that was not there. Like they all went out for a family dinner. I stayed home. I ate my meals. So that's how intense it was. And if you give the work, I'm pretty sure you're gonna get the results. Because all this while, like till I met Zahir and I joined with Zahir. Uh, I know everything. Like YouTube is there. You have all the information: caloric deficit, cardio, workout, everything you have to do. Okay, burn more calories than you eat, all that stuff. But when it actually comes into the game, it's a bit more harder than that. Like the fundamentals are the same, but you should know how to implement them. And the best way is like to go to a professional who has been doing it for a while. And I think that's the best choice I've made this year. And honestly, the only good thing this year was this transformation. And I can't wait for 2021. I hope we all have a great 2021. Because honestly, fuck 2020. What a shit year. And yeah. So I hope you guys got like even a little slightly motivated. And if you have like any doubts or anything, just DM me. Like I'll tell you. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you all have a great day. Have a great day. And inshallah 2021 is going to be much better. See you soon, fam. Peace out.